I know you can feel it.
You got that look again.
Okay, incoming rank. Because I just discovered something. Phones in the 1950s, what? A brick with a cord? Today is a supercomputer in your pocket that tracks your steps and listens to your therapy sessions.
Allegedly.
And then cars in 1950. No airbags, no GPS. Today, they practically drive themselves and they'll snitch on you if you forget your seatbelt. Snitch. For school, where's the innovation? School, still rows of desks, bells ringing like it's a factory shift and it's supper time, kids begging to use the bathroom like they're negotiating a peace treaty, and one person lecturing at the front like it's story time for zombies. Nobody's listening. Nobody's listening. Ask any adult what they remember from school, right? 12 years of their life. What's the thing that stuck? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. That's the highlight reel. That's as good as it gets. That's the, yeah.
So school never upgraded.
Exactly. Then someone forwards me this new school, not going to say his name. I click, expecting the same usual detention in 4K. Instead, it feels like I'm stumbling into the future, Rob, by accident, on purpose. Like, how did we not already have this? It feels crazy that this doesn't exist already. Everywhere else, bubble sheets and chalk dust. Here, it's projects, real ones. By senior year, they're not just college ready; they're already working at a college level. And yeah, they hit the academics, but the secret sauce, the traits, the ones we all say matter, but schools somehow never teach. First being ownership. Old school ownership is just writing your name at the top of the test. Congrats. Here, it's taking initiative, following through, actually caring about impact. Translation, your kid goes from asking permission to use the bathroom to asking permission to IPO their bathroom startup.
Now that's an upgrade.
2, originality. In the old model, original meant using a purple highlighter instead of a yellow. Here, kids ask better questions, think for themselves, and build what's missing. Why draw inside the lines when you can sell the whole box of crayons and print a 3D color wheel instead?
Gel pens didn't save anyone.
Then there's resilience, because old school failure meant red pen, big F, grounded for the weekend. Here, failure equals the drone crashed into the head of the school's car and the response is cool. When's version 2 launching? That's resilience, Rob. Failure is just feedback, not a verdict.
And you know what? Let's be honest. That's more useful than remembering the quadratic formula.
And then there's adaptability. Old school adaptability, switching classrooms when the bell rings. Riveting stuff. Here, kids pivot mid-project, mid-lesson, probably mid-lunch. Who eats lunch anyway? They thrive when everything changes because, spoiler alert, everything will. 2040 isn't sending out a save the date. It's showing up whether we like it or not. And these kids, they're going to be ready.
So this is what school looks like when it finally evolves. It's like Pokemon.
Exactly. Real projects, stronger academics, survival skills for 2040. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Some families already joined because they know their kids deserve better, while everyone else is still stuck asking, when will I ever use this? Never. These kids are already using what they got going on. They're using it right now. And the best part, those families aren't just sending their kids to school. They're helping rewrite what school even is. Why stay stuck in 1940 when the future is already being built?